Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. For tonight, I will cook the omelette with zucchini and hot dog. I show you my ingredients: the onions, the hot dog, 5 organic egg, the zucchini, grated Parmesan cheese, and of course the olive oil. First, I put them 5 tablespoons of olive oil. And the second, I put the hot dog. When it becomes a little bit brown, the hot dog, you can put the onions. The onions. Mix and when the onion is a little bit brown, can we put the zucchini. Then mix it well. The zucchini you have to cook only 7 or 8 minutes because the zucchini is very easy to cook. So we have to wait 7 minutes. After 6 minutes or 7 minutes, let me see when the zucchini is already cooked. This is already cooked, so we have to mix it in the egg. This is the inside here. There's 5 eggs and grated Parmesan cheese, the salt, and the black pepper. So you can mix it the cooked zucchini. I put already in the frying pan. Let me see, it is already cooked after 2 minutes. This is my finished product. Very easy and quick recipe. You can try in your kitchen. Very delicious. Bye guys, see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching.